You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to do voice dictation on your Mac and its shortcut. First, ensure your Mac is connected to the internet as this feature requires it. Open any application where you can type text, such as Notes, Pages, or a web browser. Click your cursor into the text field where you want the dictated words to appear. Now to start dictating, press the function key on your keyboard twice quickly. You will hear a chime and see a small microphone icon appear on your screen, indicating it is listening. Begin speaking clearly and at a normal pace. Your spoken words will be converted to text and typed into the field in real time. To insert punctuation, simply say the name of the mark, such as period, comma, question mark, or new line. When you are finished dictating, click the Done button on the microphone icon or press the function key once more to stop the keyboard. Shortcut to toggle dictation on and off is pressing the function key twice. You can enable or adjust this feature in System Settings under Keyboard and then Dictation. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.